Learn to Live Fully is all about personal growth. Goal setting is an integral part of personal growth. In this video, we are sharing some secrets about goal setting. Here are 4 secrets to goal setting. First, prioritize what is important to you and make a list. How important is your family? How important is your faith? How important is financial stability to you? How important are your hobbies? Evaluating your priorities and values will help shape how you conduct your day-to-day living. Second, identify the one area or item which will bring ripple effect to all areas of your life. Basically, I want you to apply the Pareto principle to the list. That is, 80-20 principle. You need to put 80% of your focus and effort into the one area that is most impactful in your life. It could be your finances, or your health, or your education. Improvement in that one area will improve your overall life. For example, you want to focus on your education goal. Once you achieve your education goal, that will help you move to next level in your career, that will lead to better finances, eventually that will help you take your family to more expensive vacations, and so on. Basically, by focusing on one goal, you can have positive impact on other areas of your life. Sometimes, you could even achieve some other goals in your list. As time goes by, you may need to reassess the most important goal. Once you have achieved your focused goal, you can pick the next important goal, or define a new goal. As life happens, your most important goal could even become obsolete. Maybe you got some health issues, so your most important priority will be to get back into shape. Next secret is, reverse engineer your goal. What does that mean? Break down your goal into small chunks. How to do that? Ask yourself, what do I need to do? What do I need to focus on? What skills do I need to upgrade? Usually, when you have a goal, you need to learn and upgrade your skills, or upgrade your mental capacity. Because chances are whatever that you're capable of right now gives your present result. So, if you want to get to the next step, the next level, you have to learn more and become more. So, once you reverse engineer, I want you to break that down into actionable steps. What actions do you need to do on a monthly, weekly, daily basis to achieve this goal? The final secret is to think about how you want the end to look like. That is, when you've achieved all of your goals, visualize where you'll be, who you're with, and what you'll be doing. Your mind thinks in pictures, not words, and when it can visualize something, it can work more efficiently to achieve that end. A powerful exercise you can perform to help your visualization is to map out your goals. Using the skills learned from grade school art class, get a bunch of magazines, brochures, and other pictures together. Cut out the images that represent goals that you want to achieve. If you want a certain car, get a picture of it and cut it out. If you want financial freedom, cut out a picture of what you visualize to represent financial freedom. Once you have all of your cutouts, paste them onto a poster board. Hang it somewhere where you can look at it every day. These were the 4 secrets to goal setting. Let's summarize. 1. Prioritize what is important to you and make a list. 2. Identify the one area or item which will bring ripple effect to all areas of your life. 3. Reverse engineer your goal. 4. Visualize you achieving your desired goal. Hope these tips will help you in achieving your goals. Please subscribe to Learn to Live Fully for more videos that help you to live your life to your full potential. Let's learn to live fully.